Hi, this is Stephanie from Bright Guy. I'm here today to show you the Streamlight ProTac HL high output flashlight. The Streamlight ProTac HL measures just 5.25 inches long and is made of a machined aircraft grade aluminum. It features a scratch resistant glass lens and a tactical style push button tail switch. The ProTac HL runs on two CR123 lithium batteries and weighs just 5.5 ounces with batteries. The Streamlight ProTac HL produces an incredible 600 lumens of light and high, along with an 803-foot beam distance and a 1.25-hour runtime. Use a tail switch to change between high, strobe, and low. The ProTac HL also features 3 programmable output modes consisting of high, strobe, and low, high only, or low and high. To change between the output modes, simply tap the switch 9 times and click once. Thanks for watching today. Make sure to visit brightguy.com to view the Streamlight ProTac HL and our full product line of over 450 types of flashlights